As you already know, one of the easiest ways to make money is online. Okay, on today's video, I will introduce to you this particular website that is going to pay you to watch adverts, and you too can still advertise on this website. It's very simple. All you have to do for me is to subscribe for this channel if today is the first time you are meeting us online. Like the video so that other people can earn like us. About the Donald Trump meme coin, it's high time you sell your meme coin so that you don't have to lose any of your assets or your profits. Okay. And this particular video, I'll be giving out $200 worth of Solana to a lucky one. I'll be picking out some comments and I'll message them for their Solana wallet. Okay. So this video, watch it, follow the simple process, and don't register double account because it's part of their terms and conditions so that your account will not be frozen. Okay, the website, okay, you might have seen this website online, okay, but this is how the process works. You can see people that are withdrawing from this particular website. Okay, so here you can see all the write-up if you want to go about reading this. Okay, so I've gone this process. So what I'm going to do is to register a new account. Okay, is either you register with normal registration, or you can choose to register to log in with your Google Gmail, which is the easiest process. So right here, guys, you're going to be having a free plan. Okay, this plan will help you to increase your money to at least $7 to $10. Okay, but right here I've already understood how these particular websites work, and I'm not going to be using my free plan for now. Okay, let me just use the free plan to actually grow up their accounts later. So I'll click on click ads and earn. So once you click ads and earn, you wait for it to load. I think I'm having a poor connection. For you to start earning, okay, you can see right here I have two options. Okay, I can actually click on this or any of this. Okay, right here, this is how to earn. You click on view. It's going to take you to a page where the ad will preview. So guys, you're gonna watch the ad for some times, and once the ad is done loading, okay, you can actually solve this equation. You say 1 plus 8, so you already know the answer. So you click confirm. Once you confirm, you have already successful viewed this ad. So let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, you can see I've actually earned $15 worth of these ads. Okay, $15. So let me just go straight to withdraw now. Okay, as you can see here, the withdrawal limit is 30 USD. So let me go back and still earn some ads. Okay, this is what I do every single day. And okay, say oops, your limit is over. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be subscribing to $10, and I'll then view some ad and make sure I'm able to withdraw at least $30 today. Okay, so let me do that real quick. I'm going to be using USDT to deposit. Okay, so click proceed. So here is their wallet address. I'm going to copy this. Now go back to my Bybit. So I'm going to click on more. Sorry, assets. I'm going to click on withdraw. So right here, I'm going to click on which network? TRC20 max. Confirm. Get a code. Okay, there's a code. So go back to Bybit and confirm the process. So I still use authenticator. that authenticator has expired. So guys, once I'm done withdrawing, I'll go back and put my transaction ID here, which I can get from my Bybit. Okay. You have deposited, you're going to be looking for $10 plan. Okay, here you can see they have $10 plan hidden on down. Okay, so you click on get started. So right here, you're going to be, after you deposited, you're going to click on account balance and click pay. So you wait for it to activate. So once your plan is already active, okay, so you can see my plan is already active. I've been deducted $10. You can see the plan here, basic plan. So right here, you're gonna go back to your PTC and click in. So here I'm going to view this ad. So click view. So you click on the video. Once you click on view, so the video I've finished loading 3.2 is 5. Okay, so once you confirm this, you can see we have earned $10. So let me go back to dashboard. So you can see in our dashboard we're having $25 here, and I'm gonna still earn. Okay, so click on view. So it says your limit is over for today, so wait for tomorrow, and once I have hit $30 or above from this basic plan, I can click more than 2 times in a day, and each day I'm going to be making $20, which is 10 plus 10 is $20, and after 2 days I'm going to be withdrawing every 2 days. Okay, as you can see, this $19 on my Phantom wallet actually made it from this particular website. Okay, so this is how it works, and if you follow the simple process, you'll be making at least $20 every day. Okay, so thank you for watching.